What if I told you that you've been chasing the wrong dreams all along? That every day you wake up, you're firefighting distractions, when deep down, you know exactly what matters, but you just can't decide where to begin. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover the one question that cuts through all the noise. The real-life stories of people who flipped their fate by asking it, and how you can use it tonight to set your life on fire. Ready to stop drifting and start dominating your destiny? Let's go. Every morning you open your phone to 50 notifications. You feel pulled in 10 directions. You try to do it all but end up doing none of it well. Sound familiar? I remember Emily, a software engineer in Austin, Texas, messaging me at 2 a.m. She was juggling a full-time job at a tech firm, prepping for her GMAT to get into Stanford, and helping her younger sister train for a robotics competition. She wore her busyness like a badge of honor, but deep inside, she was drained. Her dream of launching a wellness startup kept getting lost beneath her never-ending to-do list. Let's talk about why this really hurts you. Not knowing your true priorities doesn't just waste your time, it damages your life silently. When you don't know your true priorities, you keep working hard, but going nowhere. It's like running on a treadmill, sweating, exhausted, but still in the same place. You feel busy, but inside there's a nagging voice. Why am I not getting anywhere? And slowly, frustration builds. Because progress is not about being busy, it's about moving in the right direction. You try to do everything. Work, family, side hustle, social life, self-improvement, all at once. But here's the truth. When everything becomes important, nothing really gets your full energy. You burn out. And when you burn out, two things get hit the most. Your health, fatigue, anxiety, sleep issues. Your relationships, less patience, more fights, emotional disconnect. All because your life is overloaded and under-prioritized. Today, being busy feels like a badge of honor. But being busy doesn't mean you're building anything meaningful. You attend meetings, answer emails, scroll motivational quotes, but at the end of the day, you ask yourself, what did I actually build today? If you don't choose your top priorities, life will choose distractions for you. And slowly, weeks turns into years, with lots of motion, but no milestones. That's why it hurts. Because every day you avoid defining your true priorities, you delay the version of yourself you're meant to become. Here's the question that changes everything. If everything else disappeared, what would I still want to accomplish? Picture a worldwide blackout. No internet, no social media, no Netflix. All your apps vanish. Suddenly, what project, goal, or dream would still be burning inside you? That is your true north. Why it works. 1. Cuts through the clutter. It forces you to look past everyday noise. 2. Connects to your deeper values. Money, fame, status fall away. What's left is passion. 3. Creates magnetic focus. You naturally prioritize what genuinely matters. Here is the real-life example of Elon Musk. In 2008, Tesla nearly collapsed. Elon faced Twitter trolls, investors pulling out, his personal savings drained. He told his team, if we win, we'll change the automobile forever. If we lose, we die trying, and that's fine by me. He distilled his focus to one top priority: survive to revolutionize transport. Today, Tesla is the world's most valuable automaker, and also the real-life example of J.K. Rowling that must admire you. Before Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling was a broke single mother. Magazines rejected her manuscript 12 times. She could have quit, but she remembered the story she had to tell, a tale of a boy wizard. That question, what do I absolutely need to create, kept her typing in Edinburgh cafes until one publisher took a chance. Step 1. Write it down. Grab paper or your notes app. Ask, what's my non-negotiable goal? Be brutally honest, no filters. Step 2. Rank your top 3. List everything you care about: career, relationships, health, side hustles. Circle the one that still matters if everything else vanished. Then pick the next 2. 3 is the magic number for most high performers. Step 3. Build your daily one thing. Each morning, ask, is this helping my first priority? If not, drop it. Use the Eisenhower matrix, urgent versus important. Important equals moves you toward priority. Step 4. Set clear boundaries. Learn to say no to meetings, invites, social media scrolling that don't align. Use time blocks. 90-minute deep work sprints on your first priority, then a break. Step 5. Review and adjust weekly. Every Sunday night, look back. Did your actions feed your priority? If not, tweak tasks for the week ahead. Once, Chris was stuck at a dead-end job making $15 an hour. He always dreamed of writing documentaries. He asked himself our core question. Answer: I need to tell stories that save lives. He quit, spent 6 months making a short film about small-town mental health. It went viral. Now he travels the world with a camera crew and gets paid to change minds. And a single mom of 2 working at a market stall. She wanted financial security, but also time with her kids. She asked, do I want more money or more time? She chose time. She learned digital marketing online for free, started a small social media agency. Today, she makes as much as before and picks up her children after school. Pitfall. Analysis paralysis. What should I focus on first? Is this idea good enough, or maybe that one? You spend all day thinking and never actually do anything. How to fix it? Set a timer, 30 minutes max. Think it through, write it down, choose, and then move forward. Action beats overthinking. Always. 2. Pitfall. Shiny object syndrome. You spot a new trend or a shortcut to success and you chase it, only to realize it wasn't part of your core priority. This happens when you keep chasing every new thing without checking if it aligns with your top goals. Fix it by remember this simple rule. If it's not in your top 3 priorities, drop it immediately. You can't do everything, but you can be excellent at what truly matters. Guilt in saying no. Oh, what will people think if I decline? Will my boss be disappointed? Will my friendship suffer? This guilt leads you to say yes to things that drain your time and energy without giving you meaningful returns. Fix. Keep this line close. Saying no to others today is saying yes to your future self. Building boundaries now is critical for becoming the person you want to become. Saying no respectfully is a superpower. 4. Pitfall. Perfectionism. I'll start only when everything is perfect. I'm not ready yet. Let me prepare just a bit more. This mindset stops you from beginning, and if you never begin, you'll never grow. Fix. Progress over perfection. If you wait for perfect, you'll end up waiting forever. Start, even if it's messy, and keep moving, because imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. These pitfalls are universal. Everyone falls into them, including me. But once you recognize them, your focus becomes sharp and your growth becomes unstoppable.
Your priorities don't just shape your days, they shape your destiny. Today, You learned the one question that drills down to your heart's true calling. Now it's up to you. Pick your priority, block your time, say no to the rest, and watch how your life transforms, one focused step at a time. What's your number one priority? Comment below. If this video lit a fire in you, smash that like. Share with someone who needs direction. And don't forget to subscribe, because together we'll grow, focus, and conquer.